Welcome to Study Loop.
For this problem on the topic of satellite motion, we want to know if the orbits of greater altitude have a longer or shorter period. So let's assume we have two satellites orbiting the Earth. The first is on a circular orbit with distance to the center of the Earth we'll call r1, and the second at a distance or altitude r2. So not to the center, but to the surface of the Earth. So we can see that r1 is less than r2. Now we know that the period of satellite motion is given by the equation t is equal to the square root of 4 pi squared r cubed over gm, where m is the mass of the Earth, g is the universal gravitational constant, and r is the altitude of the mass that is orbiting the Earth, or the distance to its center. So we can see that if we have a radius r1 that is less than r2, this clearly implies that the period t1 must be less than the period t2. So objects that are orbiting the Earth, in this case a satellite, at a higher altitude will have a greater period.